Today I'm going to show you an example of how you can utilize the applications in your Smartboard with IQ to present a lesson to your class. To start off, if I wanted to have a discussion with my students about the planets, I would go to the launcher and select Whiteboard. Before starting a lesson, I like to find out what students already know about a subject. So for this example, I will put together a KWL chart. We will start with the K and W and can come back to what they have learned after the lesson. So once you've drawn the chart, you can have a class discussion to fill it out. This is a great activity to start out with because it will help guide you in determining what to go over as well as what doesn't need to be discussed. Next, I'm going to use the launcher to go to Player. I previously created a lesson on our solar system for us to work on today. To begin, I will select the lesson. Now you can see the lesson I created for the class using Notebook. There are many different ways you can use this lesson. One way would be to mix up the images and ask students to come up to the board and drag and drop them in the correct order. After students put the planets in the right order, you can select the plus sign and go right into a shouted out activity. Students could go to hellosmart.com and type in the code, and they will be ready to go. Just ask the question you want them to answer, and they can easily submit their responses from their devices. Once responses start coming up, you can select them to enlarge them, and you can drag and drop them into separate categories. To take the lesson even further, you can go to the launcher and go to the web browser to teach students more about the planets. For example, you could go to nasa.gov to show students more images. You could search for Mars, and you could show students the various images related to Mars. Additionally, you could show them images or even videos of the solar system. Using IQ on your Smartboard allows you to present many examples and activities on the fly while engaged in a lesson with your class.